Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing an easy triangle kimbap recipe you can make with regular seaweed sheets. No mold needed. It's super simple, but the look and flavor feel like you put real effort into it. Also perfect for a kid's lunchbox. I'm using Sesame made from a mix of brown rice and sticky brown rice. To 1.5 bowls of rice, add 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon vinegar, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Then mix well. Cut the seaweed sheet into a square, then slice it diagonally once. Split 1 slice of cheddar in half and place the pieces on the ends, then add 1 or 2 perilla leaves in the center. Spread a thin layer of rice, add some tuna, drizzle with mayo and sriracha, then fold the seaweed into a triangle and you're done. The cheese and perilla leaves keep the seaweed from getting soggy or tearing when you eat. If you like a little heat, try spicy tuna instead. It adds just the right kick of flavor. How good does that look? It's simple, satisfying, and full of flavor in every bite. All right, I'll be back with another tasty recipe next time. Keep it simple with simplekmeal.